Woo! Yeah, buddy, it's cold. It is cold out here in Kansas City, Missouri. KC Mo. Guys, what's good? What's good? It's your boy Jay, Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the Opportunity Plug. It's Tuesday, so I hope you guys have started your week off right. Hope you guys have started chasing that check, that dollar, that bag. Okay. But definitely shout out, man. But I want to do this video today because I want to talk about how the conversion pros can help you and your business get to the top, man. Just from the leads and just from, the capture pages alone that you can do to brand yourself. So if you're a new person, you have joined some type of network marketing business, some type of business online, and you're looking for a way to really get your business jump start, you don't know what's going on. Like I've always mentioned, is that a lot of people are joining this business, but they see the money. They don't actually see the work that's behind it. They don't know what's the machine that's running behind it. And one thing that I've learned from a lot of top dog marketers and, from a lot of my mentors is that they all use marketing systems. The only thing is that the marketing systems that they're using, they're actually branding themselves, so they're not branding anyone else. Now, if they are utilizing it, what they'll be doing is actually have some type of video or some type of page before you actually see the main opportunity of the video that the main person may be, doing the presentation. So a lot of people actually shoot like a bridge page, or, and that's what it's called, is a bridge page actually, before. So just as just kind of how it's structured is a capture page. So the first page there, what you want to need in your marketing system is a capture page. What that does, it captures the information of the prospect or the leads. So if they do not join on the first time of seeing it, now that you've captured their information, you can follow back up with them, send messages, or you can have a marketing system that has a message follow-up series that just sends out messages to them in a certain amount of days, for a certain amount of days, for amount of messages per day, just depending on how you want to do it. So it's fairly easy. But you usually want to I capture their phone number. The reason I like doing phone numbers as well, because you can text them. A lot of people like texting before they'll even answer the phone. I've actually called people and they'll actually send me they'll send me a voicemail and text me and say, "Who's this?" It's crazy. So what I'll do a lot of times first is actually text my leads, just to make sure, hey, introduce myself, let them know who I am. But on top of that, before they even go to my main business presentations, usually there is a bridge page where it would be me explaining how I'm utilizing the business, what I'm doing with the business, how I'm doing it, etc. Or, if others are winning, how they're winning, just kind of, giving you a quick overview of me. And before you go in to see the opportunity, pretty much explaining who you're going to be working with. If I am the same person that gave you the information, they like, okay, he gave me the information, I want him to show me how to do exactly what he's doing. And the thing is, with this marketing system, it allows you to copy pages. I can share my codes with others, and that's a part of the system, and they can utilize the same system that I'm using. So regardless if they are under my team or not in the Conversion Pros, we are a team. So, if you are involved in a program and you would like a code, you just have to reach out and ask that person most of the time, which I don't have an issue with doing if you're a part of TCP already. But you do get the marketing suite. So you're getting a webinar. So let's just say you've done a webinar and you wanted to play at a certain time. People can actually view that webinar and they can keep watching it. So that's the thing, that you can have it set up for different times it's going to play and invite people to that time frame where it's a pre-recorded webinar and it's going to close those for you. Okay. Outside of that as well, guys, there's a lot of goodies that I've actually shot about this video, about the company. Outside of that, as far as like URL shortener, link shorteners, a blogging platform, different things like that. But also, we have training in the back office that actually is dedicated to marketers. So if you're in the online space and you're looking to make money and you don't know how to market, we actually have training that covers social media marketing and offline marketing. So you're not stuck, okay? That's what I'm trying to tell everybody. We have boot camp trainings, we have fast start trainings, we have so many trainings that get you going. You should not have a reason. The only thing you have to do is look into the trainings. We have leads. So if you don't want to go and do a lot of Facebook marketing or a lot of Facebook posts, then you can go and purchase leads in the back office. We have regular leads, and these are not clicks. These are people that have already opted in, have already requested information as far as working from home or making money online. And also we have interview leads. So these are more detailed leads that have been contacted, so people can actually they can actually get these particular leads because they have actually been contacted and interviewed about making money online. So these are hot leads. So it's 2 sets of leads that we offer, and it's up to you. There's an income plan that's also associated with it, because when you sign up with me in, like, let's just say in MCA, I have the Paid on Fridays funnel where it promotes MCA and TCP. So when you get your TCP system, you're creating yourself a residual income as well, because now when someone signs up for your business, they're going to sign up for the marketing system, which is a residual income of $25, and then they're going to be signed up for the main program, which is $80. So you maximize your income to $100 as opposed to $80 that you can make with, let's partake in MCA. Okay? That's why I love the Conversion Pros. And if someone says, hey, I love it that much, and they want to purchase a semi-annually or annually, they can, and you're going to get the commission for that as well. It's perfect. It's perfect. And not only, like I said, this system is an evergreen system, so it can tie to any marketing system. It can tie to any program out there, any business out there. We already have pre-done pages for most businesses, and you can go in and you can copy those and edit them to what you like. You can change the words out. You can change the background. You can do whatever it is that you want once you copy that particular page. If you join me in MCA, I'm going to give you my follow-up series, and I'm going to also give you a message. I'm going to give you a marketing system that I put together to get you going. So the only thing you need to do is copy the pages and the information I show you. I've created a training. You become a paid member with me. I'm also going to provide for you my bonus training. You do have to shoot me an email to let me know that you're in, because I don't know, if you already know some of the Facebook ads and Twitter ads and stuff like that. Some people don't want that because they already know it. But if you're new and you don't know it, definitely reach out to me so I can get you that information as well. Okay? My goal is to make sure that you guys, at least get some traction, some action in your business, so we can all make some money. Okay? This your boy Jay. I'm out. You guys have a beautiful and blessed Tuesday. Peace.